Technically, there are many ways to create our blog. The simplest of all is to use a service that is dedicated to hosting blogs. The best and most well-known of these are Blogger, blogspot.com, which belongs to Google; WordPress, one of the most popular platforms for blogging; Typepad, less well-known, but an excellent quality service. Of course, if we search a little more, we will find countless similar platforms that can host a blog either free or at a very low cost. Although such solutions have the advantage of being easy to set up and inexpensive, they also have several disadvantages. Most importantly, since these services are hosted on another site, we do not have the ability to create a URL of the format www.mycompany.com/blog, but only something like the www.blog.mycompany.com option. Moreover, because our blog will be hosted externally, the customization capabilities that we have will be limited. In other words, we cannot design something exactly as we want it, and we are bound to the service we use. For these reasons, the external service solution is less recommended. So what other choices do we have to host our blog? We can create our blog within our site. First, we need to see which platform our site was built on. Nowadays, the majority of websites are built using one of these platforms: WordPress, Joomla, Drupal. If our site has been created with any of these, then things are very simple. The blog feature is built into these platforms and we can create a blog section easily. Nevertheless, we may not have used any of these systems to build our company website. This slightly complicates matters, but again, it is something we can work around. For the workaround, it is actually worth trying to contact the person or company that set up our site and say that we are interested in adding a blog feature on our site. The developer that shall take on this issue should be able to create a blog section within our site using the www.mycompany.gr/blog address. WordPress or Joomla platforms are preferable as they are quite simple and quick to create.